On this episode of Bloody Chuffed, we're going to be taking this Welsh Dresser and upcycling it into something just a little bit more modern. Right, so it's in its components. We've got the bottom half with 2 drawers, 2 cupboard doors, the top half with the 2 glass doors and the shelves that go inside. So what is the plan? Well, the plan is for now is to sand the whole thing down with the orbital sander, take off all the marks, all the old dirt, varnish, everything like that, and just see actually what we're working with, because right now it's just a bunch of pine with varnish on it and it's a little bit hard to see exactly what we're going to do, and I'm quite indecisive, so we're going to sand it down and see what we've got. So we are completely done, it's been painted, it's been oiled, and I hope you agree I am bloody chuffed that it's turned out as well as it has. It's 10 times better than it looked before. The black contrasts lovely with the grain on the wood that is now standing out even better thanks to the oil rather than the old tired varnish. There's no more marks over it, it's really clean, really tidy, and I'm really happy with it. Some facts that you may find interesting for this if you're considering doing it yourself. The dresser was bought for £70 from a charity furniture shop. I could have got it for less money, but I couldn't really get much of a haggle going. The woman in the shop just wasn't interested. So £50 to £70 isn't too bad for an actual piece of wooden furniture these days. So, you know, if you would like to see more furniture transformations like this, or you'd like to see me make props from video games, models upstairs, all kinds of things, there is lightsabers, there is video game props, there's all sorts of things you can go on there and look at. If you want to see that or more like this, make sure you subscribe down below and make sure you hit the bell to notify yourselves when I... Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy many videos to come still. Goodbye.